when I click here, nothing else except cameras are selected, even if I do like this. Let's say I want to hide all my cameras from this scene. Check this, and now all my cameras have disappeared. This button for quick access here, just click on it, cameras and shapes disappear, click again, they appear back. Now I'll just jump into another scene I have prepared here for you, where I'm gonna show you how to work with when you already have so many models, so many objects in the scene. So I will jump into this scene over here. As you can see here, it's so much going on. It looks a little bit as a mess, but it's not a mess because everything is important in this scene. All the cameras are important, are set up. Let me just show you a couple of cameras I've set up here. But when it's so many things going on, I don't want to delete anything. I don't want to hide them somewhere and then try to find them. Where is it? How is the name of it? First thing, I will use my filtering here, and when I need to select cameras and I find it hard to select it, I can filter here, just select, let's say, cameras, and when I click here, nothing else except cameras are selected, even if I do like this. Okay, only cameras are selected. If I want to select my lights or couple of lights, I just can filter it right here, and I will select only the lights in this scene and nothing else will be selected. But don't forget to get back to all, because otherwise you'll have troubles and you won't understand why is not anything selected in this scene. So this is one thing, one way to optimize your process. Another way is how to get rid of these cameras. I have set them up, I have arranged them how I need it, but when I'm trying to work with the design, it's kind of annoying, all those lines seeing inside here. So one way to do that is going in this panel on the right here, find this display, and here you have an option, hide by category, where you can hide objects by category. So let's say I want to hide all my cameras from this scene. I'll just check this. And now watch, all my cameras have disappeared. They have not disappeared forever. When I press C on the keyboard, I see my cameras. I can go inside my cameras. I can render my cameras, but I don't see them in the scene, which makes it easier for me to work with this scene and to work with all the details on this scene. Also, if lights is something I don't want right now and they just give me hard times finding something or working with something, check the lights and of course they will be disappeared. But you need to make sure when you render to check on again the lights, otherwise you won't have the lights in the scene and it's going to be dark. Okay, then you have shapes, which are some lines. You can see here in this scene I have my floor plan, which I used to model this scene, and let's say I don't need it, I just can hide it. And when you go to geometry, here all the geometry will disappear because all other components are geometry. So for geometry I will show you another way. Okay, now let me just activate everything back. Another quicker way when you want to hide cameras and lines, which means all those components that are not renderable, they will not appear in the render. So you have this check here, okay, or you have this button for quick access here, just click on it and cameras and shapes disappear. If you click again, they appear back. So this is a really cool way to use this feature and to work easier in your project.